Join me as I take on the challenge of staying healthy on a long flight using only my ultimate travel hacks. As travelers, we've all been there, stuck on a long flight, feeling miserable, and wishing we could just fast forward to our destination. But what if I told you that there are ways to make your long-haul flights not only more comfortable, but also healthier? Staying healthy on long flights is crucial, especially for frequent travelers. Not only can it affect your energy levels and overall well-being, but it can also impact your entire trip. Imagine arriving at your destination, feeling refreshed, revitalized, and ready to take on whatever adventure comes your way. That's what I want to help you achieve with my ultimate travel hacks. Of course, it's no secret that long flights can be detrimental to our health. From the moment we step onto the plane, we're faced with a plethora of unhealthy temptations, from processed snacks to cramped quarters and recycled air. When we fly, our bodies undergo a series of changes that can lead to dehydration, fatigue, and circulation issues. And let's be honest, who among us hasn't experienced the dreaded jet lag? As travelers, we need to be mindful of these challenges and take proactive steps to combat them. Because when we're healthy, we're happier, and we're able to enjoy our travels to the fullest. So, are you ready to learn how to stay healthy on your next long flight? Let's dive in. One of the biggest challenges we face on long flights is dehydration. The air on planes is notoriously dry, and it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of takeoff and forget to drink enough water. But dehydration can lead to headaches, fatigue, and even dizziness. So, how can we stay hydrated on a long flight? For starters, avoid caffeinated drinks and sugary snacks that can exacerbate dehydration. Instead, opt for water, herbal teas, or coconut water to keep your body hydrated. Another challenge we face is fatigue. Long flights can be exhausting, both physically and mentally. So, what can we do to combat fatigue? Get comfortable. Wear loose, comfortable clothing, and consider investing in a travel pillow or neck pillow to support your neck and shoulders. Take breaks. Get up and move around the cabin every hour or so to keep your blood flowing. You can even do some simple stretches in your seat to keep your muscles loose. Stay engaged. Bring a book, listen to music, or watch a movie to keep your mind active and alert. Fatigue is also closely linked to circulation issues. When we're stuck in a cramped seat for hours on end, our bodies can start to feel sluggish and lethargic. So, how can we improve our circulation on a long flight? Wear compression socks. They can help improve blood flow and reduce swelling in your legs. Take a walk. Get up and walk around the cabin every hour or so to keep your blood flowing. Do some seat stretches. You can do simple exercises like toe taps, ankle rotations, and knee lifts to keep your legs moving. In addition to staying hydrated, avoiding fatigue, and improving circulation, there are plenty of other travel hacks you can use to stay healthy on a long flight. Pack healthy snacks. Avoid processed foods and opt for nuts, seeds, fruits, and veggies instead. Bring a face mask. The air on planes can be dry and recycled, so a face mask can help keep your skin hydrated and moisturized. Get some shut-eye. Bring a sleep mask, earplugs, or even a portable white noise machine to help you catch some Z's. Exercise on the plane. You can do simple exercises like shoulder rolls, wrist extensions, and toe taps to keep your muscles loose. Another travel hack I want to share with you is the importance of choosing the right seat on the plane. Opt for an aisle seat. You'll have more room to move around and can get up more easily to stretch your legs. Consider upgrading to economy plus or business class. The extra legroom can make a world of difference in terms of comfort and health. Now, I want to share with you my most effective hack for staying healthy on a long flight. Are you ready? It's the 5-5-5 rule. Every 5 hours, get up and move around for 5 minutes and drink 5 ounces of water. This simple rule can make a huge difference in terms of staying hydrated, improving circulation, and avoiding fatigue. So, there you have it. My ultimate travel hacks for staying healthy on a long flight. From staying hydrated to avoiding fatigue, improving circulation, and choosing the right seat, these hacks can help you arrive at your destination, feeling refreshed, revitalized, and ready to take on whatever adventure comes your way. Remember, staying healthy on a long flight is all about being proactive and taking care of your body. By following these simple travel hacks, you can ensure a comfortable, healthy, and enjoyable flight. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What are your favorite travel hacks for staying healthy on a long flight? Share them with us, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and healthy living advice.